Animals are cute until you realize some of them breathe through their butts, give diamond rings, or literally live with 3 hearts. Yeah, Mother Nature went full crazy designer mode.
Today on RankNest, I'm breaking down 10 weird animal facts you won't believe. So grab a snack, hug your pet if you dare, and let's dive right in. Number 10. Octopuses aren't satisfied with just 1 heart. They've got 3. 1 pumps blood through their gills, and 1 pumps it through the rest of the body. Here's the kicker. When they swim, that main heart stops beating. Imagine your heart saying, BRB, swimming break. No wonder they prefer to crawl instead of swim. It's literally easier on their ticker.
Number 9. Sea lions can dance better than most of us at weddings. They're one of the very few animals that can actually keep rhythm with music. Scientists played them everything from classical to pop, and yep, they nodded along in time. So next time you can't clap on beat, remember, there's a sea lion somewhere that's already in sync with Taylor Swift.
Number 8. Koalas could literally get away with crime. Why? Their fingerprints are so close to human ones, they've confused police at crime scenes in Australia.
Imagine the CSI guy like, yep, it's human. Wait, nope, it's Steve the koala again. Tiny furry criminals with eucalyptus breath. Number 7. Cows are basically high schoolers. They form best friend pairs, and when you separate them, their stress levels skyrocket. So yes, somewhere in a field right now, Bessie and Daisy are having a sleepover. Makes you wonder, are cows gossiping about us the same way we gossip about them?
Number 6. Starfish are living proof you don't need a brain to survive 500 million years without one. No brain, no blood, yet they regenerate arms like Wolverine.
You cut one in half, both halves can keep going. Basically, starfish are zombies, and the ocean is their apocalypse party. Before we jump to number 5, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're enjoying this list so far, don't forget to like the video and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future top 10s. Number 5. Giraffes talk. For years, scientists thought they were silent, but turns out they communicate in super low frequency hums at night. So while you're asleep, giraffes are basically whispering secrets to each other like a late night slumber party. We just can't hear it, which somehow makes it creepier. Number 4. Penguins invented romance before Tinder. A male penguin finds the smoothest pebble he can and offers it to his crush. If she accepts,
Congrats! They're officially pengu married. So yeah, ladies, forget the diamond ring. If he's not willing to waddle across a frozen wasteland for a rock, is he even worth it?
Number 3. Brace yourself. Turtles can breathe through their butts. It's called colloquial respiration, and they use it during winter when they're underwater and can't surface. Imagine holding your breath for months and then going, "Don't worry, I've got a backup system." Truly nature's weirdest life hack.
Number 2, snakes might be the ultimate survivalists. They can slow their metabolism down so much, they survive months without eating.
Basically the snake version of intermittent fasting, except extreme. And when they finally eat again, yeah, that's why it's always something huge and terrifying.
Finally, number 1, axolotls, the eternal babies of the animal world. These salamanders never fully mature. They keep their gills, stay aquatic, and basically live forever in toddler mode. They're so good at regeneration, scientists are studying them for human medicine. So while we're over here complaining about adulting, axolotls said, "Nah, I'll stay a kid forever."
And there you have it. 10 weird animal facts that prove nature is way stranger than fiction. From 3-hearted octopuses to penguin love stories, each one makes you look at the animal kingdom a little differently.
But here's the question. If you could have one of these animal powers, which would it be? Drop your pick in the comments. And remember, don't just watch animals. Enjoy RankNest. We've got countdowns every single week. Oz Rocket.